Hi, welcome to another Horswell Men's Shed video. In issue 81 of the Shed magazine, Don Reeves, one of our members, shows you how to make a magnetic sweeper. This has been a really useful piece of equipment. At the Horswell Shed, we recycle crates from a local industry. The crates used to go to landfill but are now a really valuable plywood and timber resource for men's shed projects. Most of the recycling is carried out on a concrete pad, but there's quite a lot of work which is done out in the driveway as well, and we run the risk of dropping nails and staples causing punctures. To make it easy to pick up steel off the ground, we made this little magnetic sweeper. As you can see here, there's neodymium magnets which are recessed into a block, and the block is held 20 millimeters above the ground, and that enables the magnets to pick up steel waste. The sweeper is equally effective on large and small pieces of steel. Here you can see little bits of tin, nails and grinding dust. It's amazing how much grinding dust is left even after you've swept up the floor. Removing the steel waste from the block is very easy. On the top of the block there's some over-centre catches, and these enable the plastic cover on the magnets to be removed. When you pull the plastic back, it drops all the waste off. So simple, effective and a really useful addition to a busy workshop. So if you'd like full instructions on how to make a little sweeper like this, then get a copy of Shed magazine number 81.